All right, I'm gonna dive right in and take you behind the scenes on one of my jobs. This is me cleaning an industrial oven. This is what you see from the kitchen point of view. This cavity creates a funnel that directs all the smoke, debris, and creosote to a centralized location. That way it can be properly drafted. The ground that you're seeing here is creosote. It lines the system from top to bottom. This stuff is flammable, so it's important to get routine maintenance done on these systems. This is the top-down view. These industrial ovens put out so much heat, smoke, and creosote that these fans collect quite a bit in a short amount of time. Most of these ovens are in use in service industry hours. That means these systems are collecting creosote for up to 13 hours every single day. This is not something to take lightly. Should your fan or your entire system catch fire, you're going to lose revenue for the day. You're going to lose more revenue when you're able to open back up because you won't be able to use your industrial oven. You'll have to wait for the manufacturer to ship what you need, and then you'll have to wait for the installer to have an opening in their schedule. This can be a huge hit to your profit margins. Be proactive, get your maintenance done. Because so much creosote is accumulated so quickly, we recommend having your system cleared out at least once a month. It's worth having this done to have the peace of mind that you're protecting your business, your staff, and your patrons. Today's question of the day is for you small business owners. When was the last time you had your fan looked at? Have you ever had it looked at? Did you even know you needed to have it looked at? Let us know down in the comments. Questions, comments, concerns? Schedule your consultation today. Call our office at 317-500-1250 or write us at office@cmoutfitters.com. You can look us up on social media everywhere. And of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button.